So it's been a stormy start to the monsoon session of Parliament. As soon as 11 a.m. hit, we are looking at the opposition, both sides in the upper house and in the lower house that began with their ruckus. They started to come in the well of the house. They have been raising protests as they continue to build the ammo to take on the government, right from Ram Mandir embezzlement to the NEET paper leak issue. As the issues that have been raised by the opposition with beyond when it comes to both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, for now that has been adjourned till about 12 noon. However, despite the appeals that were made multiple times on part of the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Om Birla, asking the opposition to maintain decorum and to hold proactive debate and discussion, and also the advice that came in from the Prime Minister from his customary address before the Parliament session that began, where he had asked and appealed to the opposition to hold constructive debates. But let's in the meantime talk about what happened in the Rajya Sabha. Leader of the opposition there has been raising the issue of the NEET paper leaks, which led to chaos and protest in the upper house. So Mallikarjun Kharge spoke in the Rajya Sabha saying that the students were being subjected to lathi charge and questioning that why violence is being used against the students there. Let's in the meantime connect with Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, from the start to the Parliament, both houses, the opposition raises the issue of the NEET paper leak.
Well, that's right. It was expected that both the houses, whether the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, could see a stormy beginning, and that's what exactly happened, with the opposition coming down to the well, protesting in both the houses, raising slogans, and they're demanding that there should be immediate discussion on the NEET paper leak as well as the other issues which the opposition have said are concerning to the general public. Now, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge also raised the point regarding the alleged lathi charge by the Delhi police, saying that why was force being used against students in the national capital. Now, this has been a stormy session because the opposition had put out their list of demands, whether it is the NEET paper leak, whether it is the ethanol issue, or the other issues which are concerning to the general public. The opposition wants that discussion should take place immediately in both the houses. Now, the opposition is also of the view that the list of businesses that has been put across, the opposition say that as per the Business Advisory Committee, most of the members are from the central government and they have the advantage. So they decide what are going to be discussed as far as the Parliament is concerned. But opposition is continuously raising this point that there are multiple other important issues that need immediate intervention of the Parliament, and that is the reason why we are seeing that sloganeering continuously being happened inside the Parliament as soon as the House begins, despite repeated announcement by the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla to maintain the decorum of the House. And earlier Prime Minister Narendra Modi also told the opposition parties that without raising their voice or without shouting, we can have a constructive discussion as far as the Parliament is concerned.
Absolutely, because this issue now seems to be dominating even in the Parliament that we are now looking on the first day itself, Sabyasachi, and Ram Mandir donation, embezzlement and high drama that seems to be playing out from Jantar Mantar, where you're not reporting very far from, where we are still reporting to say that the internet services that have been affected and the lathi charge that had to be resorted by the police to disperse the crowd. Let's in the meantime take a dip once again what happened in the Rajya Sabha just before it was adjourned.
Sir, I am thankful to you. You have given me an opportunity to put forth my views about this paper leak and NEET examination घोटाला. And no चंदा चोरी तो है ही है, सब उसके समर्थक उधर बैठे हैं, लेकिन सर ये स्टूडेंट का मामला है, ये स्टूडेंट का मामला है जो लाखों बच्चों की जो भविष्य है उनके भविष्य के बारे में मैं बात कर रहा हूं, और उसके लिए आज यहाँ जंतर मंतर पे हजारों बच्चे वहां पर आए हैं, वहां लाठी चार्ज हो गया है, गवर्नमेंट मारने की कोशिश कर रही है, गवर्नमेंट दबाने की कोशिश कर रही है, गवर्नमेंट पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रही है, और
So you saw the escalation on the streets and escalation on part of the opposition in the Rajya Sabha and in the Lok Sabha immediately as the House convened. Within 13 minutes, the Lok Sabha was adjourned till about 12 noon, despite the repeated appeals that was made by the Speaker Om Birla for asking the opposition MPs to maintain decorum, and similar appeals that went in from the chair in the Rajya Sabha as well went unheard when both houses of parliament on the first day itself have now been adjourned to 12 noon. So within 15 minutes from now, we're looking at both houses to resume its parliamentary functions. That remains to be seen if the opposition allows that to happen. Mainly that the pictures that have been coming in is now looking at how the opposition, who were also in a huddle, when it comes to the parliament session, the monsoon session of parliament, they are now taking up exactly when it comes to the issues that they will be trying to corner the government. Let's put that out as a breaking update on the agenda. That seems to be the Chanda Chori issue. And now, according to reports suggesting that Akhilesh Yadav is meeting Rahul Gandhi in the parliament. So the opposition huddle amid the parliament session there. And this is the issue mainly that LOPs of both houses, Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge, had yesterday penned a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi seeking for a comprehensive and a transparent investigation and for the government to break its silence on the embezzlement there. And this is something that also found a mention in Mallikarjun Kharge's address that he was just speaking about. But Sabyasachi, it seems that the opposition is now also trying to corner the government when we speak of Chanda Chori issue. So Samajwadi Party chief meeting Rahul Gandhi.
Well, absolutely. This was on the top of the agenda as far as the opposition is concerned, because as we know that the Congress and the Samajwadi Party has been openly raising the issue of the Chanda Chori, but they also got the support of the other regional parties like the Trinamool Congress, which also felt that this issue is extremely important and there should be discussion in the parliament. Now the opposition demands that there should be transparency, and the opposition feels that the investigation has not been done properly, because what they feel is there are other people who are accused of Chanda Chori and they have not been arrested so far, and all the minions are being arrested by the UP police is what the opposition has been claiming. In fact, today also RJD member of parliament, they also raised this point that the Chanda Chori in fact in Ram Mandir has been happening from 92 onwards, and they have been in power for almost 16 years, but still there hasn't been any sort of accountability is what the opposition believes.
So the parliament session will resume in about 10 minutes. We are standing by for that, the opposition raising their protests and the House having been adjourned, both of them till about 12 noon.